Welcome to another episode of the show that you love, where we decide about the best 11s of your favorite IPL teams. And the team that is in focus today
is your favorite
is my
team.
favorite team, the defending champions,
KKR.
क्या है कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स.
क्या है वो तैयार?
KKR पिछले साल से तैयार है, वही वो दिखा रहे हैं. They are actually ready and all set to go. And first let me quickly show you guys the squad that has been assembled. आपको लग सकता है शायद पिछली बार का स्क्वाड है, मगर ये नया स्क्वाड है. So there have been some additions to that squad. So let's quickly now सिद्धांत decide कि भाई best 11 कौन सी होगी इनकी.
भाई मैं I was looking at the squad and I was like भाई almost like all the slots that you look at in their 11 ना, I think barring one or two positions you are like भाई ये पुरानी टीम ही खिला रहे हैं. Like श्रेयस अय्यर, नीतीश राणा चले गए हैं and एक विकेट कीपर बैटर फिल सॉल्ट चले गए हैं. बाकी तो ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही लग रहा है. मिचेल स्टार्क नहीं है. But if you look at the positions, okay, most of their squad is like from last year only.
और हो भी क्यों ना यार?
And वो continuity, they wanted continuity at that IPL auction. They bought back 4 players like that. मतलब वेंकटेश अय्यर के लिए 23.75 करोड़ स्पेंड किए भैया. तो एक तो
loyalty matters
and I think maybe we are looking at the new captain of KKR in Venkatesh Iyer.
We'll surely talk about that, but let's quickly
first 11
yeah वो वाले slots को fix कर देते हैं, which we actually think कि ये तो है ही है
done. Okay.
Playing 11 में. So I think you guys will probably also resonate with the fact कि हाँ ये तो भाई खेलने वाले हैं, अब बाकी डिसाइड करने हैं. तो सबसे पहले तो भाई सुनील नरीन आपका ओपन करेंगे ही करेंगे
बिल्कुल.
और we'll decide upon that second opening slot as well. But after that
I think number 3 and number 4 are also fixed, even though Ankush Raghuvanshi did not play all the games.
Right, but he started off and played for 7 games.
मतलब 7 game खेले पिछले season and I think this is the season they'll gonna give him a long.
They'll have to.
They'll tell him कि सारे 14 के 14 गेम आप खेलोगे.
हाँ, because श्रेयस अय्यर भी नहीं है.
तो राइट हैंडर के तौर पे now number 3 and number 4 for me I think are interchangeable. Like Ankush Raghuvanshi and Venkatesh Iyer.
Yeah.
Okay, one of them could go in at number 3 and one of them, I think it will be a right-left combination, which they did last year also.
Yeah, I actually feel कि right-left, हाँ.
अगर
ऊपर दो lefty खेल गए फिर, तो
I think Ankush Raghuvanshi is the likely option to bat at number 3.
Exactly.
Right.
So Venkatesh Iyer हो गया चौथे पे.
Number 4, so correct.
Obviously interchange हो सकते हैं and every team will obviously play it by their ear और जो भी मैच की सिचुएशन होगी उसके से काफी स्क्वाड ऊपर नीचे होगा. So ये 4 तो भाई फिक्स हैं. 4 ही क्यों?
4 के इसके आगे
के फिक्स्ड है यार.
मतलब okay, number 5 undoubtedly okay. This order can change by the way considering like how the match situation is going to be because Rinku Singh is next. Then Andre Russell and Ramandeep Singh. These 3, right? And these 3 are interchangeable. I think Andre Russell, if you are suddenly looking at somebody walking in the 15th over, you'll be like Andre Russell को ऊपर भेज दो.
बिल्कुल.
Right? But this is the number 5 Rinku, number 6 Andre Russell, number 7 Ramandeep. भाई बैटिंग इतनी सॉर्टेड लग रही है ना इनकी
और सारे पावर मतलब ऐसी कैपेबिलिटी है ना हिटिंग की. और अगर हम कैपेबिलिटी की बात कर ही रहे हैं अबाउट द प्लेयर्स हु पैक अ पंच, भाई इनका ओपनर जो आ रहा ना, चाहे फिल सॉल्ट गया है, उसकी जगह मुझे लगता है क्विंटन डिकॉक.
आई एग्री. बैटिंग अब फिक्स कर ही देते हैं जो 7 पोजीशन है एंड आई थिंक इट इज ट्रू दैट क्विंटन डिकॉक इज प्रोबब्ली गोना ओपन अहेड ऑफ Rahmanullah Gurbaz. Yes, Gurbaz is there, a right hander and he was there part of their squad last season also, but वहां पे भी आपने कहा they preferred Phil Salt. And I think with Quinton de Kock, with his experience and what he has done in the IPL previously, we genuinely think that Quinton de Kock will get the nod ahead of Gurbaz.
Right, Gurbaz in his limited opportunities for KKR has actually done well. He played in that final also. But I feel that for starters, when you want to start the tournament on a high, तो आपके पास अगर एक ऐसा प्लेयर है who has been there, done that, and repeatedly, I think you'll have to start with Quinton de Kock. So भाई क्या लाइनअप बन रहा है ये as far as the batting is concerned.
Last season के हिसाब से you are looking at relatively like what 2-3 changes, that's all. मतलब major changes. श्रेयस अय्यर नहीं है, मिचेल स्टार्क नहीं है और फिल सॉल्ट नहीं है. Otherwise, the lineup looks very, very similar.
Very similar, and as far as the bowlers are concerned,
वो भी almost fixed है.
वो भी almost fixed है और वो भी similar ही लग रहा है.
Correct.
तो भाई देखो, हर्षित राणा खेलेगा.
जो खेलेंगे, हाँ,
वैभव अरोड़ा खेलेगा,
वैभव अरोड़ा खेलेगा,
और
बिल्कुल,
वरुण चक्रवर्ती भी खेलेगा।
वरुण चक्रवर्ती भी खेलेगा। डन एंड डस्टेड है
ये तो डन एंड डस्टेड
ठीक है।
हो गया
अब एक स्पॉट जो मिचेल स्टार्क की जगह आपको किसी को खिलाना पड़ेगा, एंड बिकॉज we know that they have got two right armers in Vaibhav Arora and Harshit Rana.
Yeah.
It's safe to say that Spencer Johnson could be their first choice ahead of Enric Nokia.
Absolutely.
Because Enric Nokia, Spencer Johnson, two overseas pacers they have got in their squad. Even though they spent a lot of money on Enric, 6.5 crores or something, on Enric Nokia. We think because right armor के बाद आपको थोड़ी variety चाहिए, and last year Mitchell Starc provided that variety. Spencer Johnson, another left arm,
absolutely,
left
I agree
arm
with
pacer.
that. Left arm pacer, and also the fact कि भाई एनरिक नोकिया इस टाइम जो पिट रहा है ना,
बहुत पिट रहा है,
and I think since the last IPL only 50 रन तो गिफ्ट में ले रहे थे भाई. And also the fact कि Spencer Johnson has actually had some good run in T20 internationals as well. I think he has played 7 or 8 matches and already has 14 wickets. Just make 5 wicket all be at international stage. So I think Spencer Johnson start karega, and let's see how he goes. And maybe if थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होता है, they can definitely bring back Enric Nokia. और उमरान मलिक भी है, सब है.
Correct. Spencer Johnson has, by the way, been playing for Australia also, so no doubt in our heads that he will probably get the nod ahead of Nokia. अब मेरे को लव एक क्वेश्चन है. You know, there are other players in the squad. Impact player के हिसाब से they have also got 2-3 options. You know, if they need a bowling, मतलब bowling के हिसाब से आप देखो, if they need a spinner, they can look at Mayank Markande.
Right.
और if they need a pacer, they can also look at Umran Malik, Indian pacers या Indian bowlers के हिसाब से. Batting wise, if they need an extra batter,
भाई देखो मोइन अली है स्क्वाड में उनके पास.
Moeen Ali is there. I was
मोइन
gonna
अली,
say,
अजिंक्य रहाणे है,
and Manish Pandey.
Manish Pandey, चलो, they used him last year as well in a couple of
I think
games.
Manish Pandey should get the nod ahead of Ajinkya Rahane, don't you think?
Yeah, let's see how they bat in the next.
के मतलब वो 2014 का समय याद
huge
करके.
fan of Manish Pandey. I still remember those days.
हाँ.
जब Manish Pandey कुछ फोटो डालता था ना, I used to replicate that और मैं उस तरह से फोटो खिंचाता था. I'm that big a fan of that guy. But then current situation में मुझे लगता है रहाणे is also in very good form in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy.
Okay.
अभी पिछले मैच में I think उसने 30 बॉल में 51 मारा था. So let's see what form रहाणे is in. और अगर नेट्स में he is in good touch, so he may as
He
well
could be the extra batter,
right.
extra batter
And
if
I think
needed. If
you'll
needed.
obviously see Moeen Ali also play in that team somewhere in the tournament.
So if Moeen Ali plays, I'm
he
looking
can
at.
open यार. अगर सुनील नरीन by chance आपको रेस्ट देना है, he can open and he can give you that spin bowling option as
No,
well.
but then you will have somebody. You will need somebody to keep wickets also, na?
That's also true.
Quinton de Kock or Ravindra Gurbaz will keep wickets.
Absolutely.
So they वो मेरे हिसाब से slot fixed है. I am saying Moeen Ali can actually come in as a
नहीं
floater.
तो मैं
also.
तो नरीन की जगह बाहर कर रहा था ना, उसको तो क्विंटन डिकॉक
If Narayan हर मैच खेलेगा if he is fit.
अगर आपने उसे कहीं रेस्ट देना है, फॉर एग्जांपल केकेआर पहले 7-8 मैच जीत गई.
केकेआर वालों क्या आप नारायण को रेस्ट दोगे? लास्ट सीजन जो किया है उस आदमी ने, मतलब for good 2-3 seasons we saw his batting and said कि भाई हो गया, मतलब now he cannot bat top of the order and what not. Suddenly Gautam Gambhir joins the team. KKR gives Sunil Narayan a call and tells him no matter what you are going to tell me, you have to open the innings. And भाई मतलब क्या ही अलग प्लेयर निकल के आया, guy scoring 100. He doesn't even have hundreds for other teams.
हाँ, उसका आज तक 100 नहीं है by the way किसी भी
scoring
लीग में.
hundreds in IPL, मतलब insane. That is insane.
So let's see. I think more or less we have discussed everything. But then captain. Okay. Captain कौन होगा KKR का?
I genuinely think the kind of money that they have paid for Venkatesh Iyer, he needs to lead them. You agree?
Yeah.
We want to know your opinion about the 11 that you can see on Love's right or to his left on your screen. But you have
let me give that tune.
left, right. Okay, any which way. But guys, please look at the KKR 11. I think it's a very solid lineup. वही है कि 2-3 changes at max जो लग रहे थे वो हमने करके दिखा दिए आपको. Now you tell us if you think there are other combinations possible within this squad, because let's face it, they've got other big names also. Umran Malik might not have played last season really well for SRH, but he remains a hot property any which way in terms of pace. So I think
मेरा point ये है कि
Mayank Markande also.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, covers देखो ना जो उन्होंने लिए. They have backup options.
सुरेश गया तो मयंक मार्कंडे
आया, मोइन अली है और रॉवमन पावेल. अगर आपका for
Andre
any
Russell
reason
की-
is injured and नहीं खेल रहा है, because we know
Like for like replacement.
injuries उसके साथ hand in hand जाती हैं.
हेयर स्टाइल भी सिमिलर है, बताओ.
तो रॉसबर्न पावर उसको रिप्लेस कर सकता है भाई. बैकअप से लेके हर चीज इन्होंने क्या सोची है. Amazing. But then yes,
KKR है तैयार.
KKR है तैयार.
KKR है तैयार.
KKR
But okay, you guys let us know about your 11s, and guys as always प्यार भेजते रहिएगा. लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कमेंट भी कीजिए, because we reply to all of your comments.
Yeah.
So thank you again for watching.
Thank you so much, guys.
And we'll be back. And अब की बारी मतलब लव की फेवरेट टीम हो गई. अब देखते हैं कौन सी.
अब इसकी फेवरेट टीम आएगी.
नहीं, मेरी फेवरेट नहीं होगी कोई टीम. आई एम श्योर. Let's see बाकी. See you later.